This is the Arctic. Beautiful, isn't it? Shell tried to drill for oil here, but you said no. You said the risks were too high and the rewards too dirty. So you scaled one of Shell's platforms and blocked it from moving for 77 hours.
7 of us went up the rig, but 133,000 people came down it with us.
From ports across the world, Shell's fleet was sailing north towards the Arctic, and you did all you could to stop them. You shut down Shell gas stations across the planet as the resistance turned global. Shell insisted that the risks were minimal. Then one of their rigs caught fire, while another was beached in strong winds and had to be scrapped. You told Obama to cancel Shell's license to drill, but Obama ignored you. 6 of you climbed Western Europe's tallest skyscraper, and when you reached the top, you spoke for every one of us. Shell, it seems, weren't listening. 6 weeks later was Shell's biggest day of the year, the Formula One Grand Prix in Belgium. So you decided to crash the party. In 2014, you went after Shell's friends and ended a 50-year-old multi-million-dollar partnership.
Lego has said it won't be renewing its branding contract with the oil giants Shell.
As they reassembled their fleet, your movement mobilized again. You boarded their rig as it sailed across the Pacific and occupied it for 6 days in the open ocean. Their ships may have dwarfed yours, but your fleet outnumbered theirs. And you did whatever it took to get in their way. You found inspired ways to bring the Arctic to Shell's doorstep, and you refused to leave until they did. And then they did. It started 3.5 years ago. You drew a line in the ice. The oil giants have colonized every corner of our planet, but you made a stand in the Arctic. Now, we can celebrate the power of people.